Okay, so tonight we are working on problems 13 through 15. For problem 13, we need to start by getting these to be the same base. So the 3 is fine, but we'll need to change that 1/9 to a base 3. So now we'll have our exponents set equal to each other. So we'll have 2x minus 1 equals negative 2x plus 4. Add our 2x over, subtract our, or add our 1. So x is going to equal 5/4. For number 14, this is going to be everybody's favorite, u substitution. So we'll have 12u squared minus 23u minus 2 equals 0. Break this into 12u plus 1, u minus 2. So u equals either negative 1/12 or positive 2. Now we need to set these back in. So we'll have that negative 1/12 equals 1 over x minus 3. The 2 equals 1 over x minus 3. We'll take our cross multiplication. Negative 12 equals x minus 3. 2x minus 6 equals 1. So x can equal negative 9, or x can equal 7/2. For 15, we need to get this e by itself, so we'll divide the whole thing by 3. We'll have e to the 4x minus 1 equals 10/3. Now we can take our snail, and we'll say the natural log of 10/3 equals 4x minus 1. Now we need to solve for x, so we'll add 1, divide by 4. X is going to equal the natural log of 10/3 plus 1 divided by 4. That is tonight's homework. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, see you tomorrow for Trivia Day.